Woofcam.
What's up mga tropa pips? Nandito tayo sa Makati ngayon and pinilit ko talaga mapuntahan to. This dog is transferring from Santa Rosa to a busy living here. So, kailangan natin mag-guide sila. Most of the time, pag pupunta na yung mga aso sa isang dog park, nagmamadali na. Because of the scent, they would start dragging yung mga owners nila going to that. But we're teaching Sol to wait longer. Wait longer till I allow. There you go. Okay, sit down. Wait longer. So, there you go. Allow. So you see, medyo nagmadali ng konti. Diba? Babalik ko ulit siya pala yun. Slower. So ngayon, mas nagiging slower yung pagpunta niya dito. I can allow the dog to smell, but the training is to walk calmly. This is a different place. Kaya nga, sabi ko, gagawin natin lahat ng exercises na problematic kayo. So the change ng memory ulit. Yun yung critical time doon eh. Kasi if we do what you do sa bahay, you will have the same problem here. Yeah. I want you to walk your dog. I'll show you exercises where your dog won't just pull you. Let's go walk. Just walk. Lower down your arm. Lower your arm. There you go. Nice. Just walk fast. Just walk fast. Very good. Just walk fast. Very good. With your dog. You pull up fast. There you go. And this is the test. Kasi dati, kapag nakita niya yung kapitbahay nyo, she will go there. Walk ka lang ulit. Just walk. 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 Don't allow you to. Walk. Watch Tito. And Q, watch Tito. Relax. Just watch Tito. Yeah. Just watch Tito. If you watch Tito, that will stop. Watch Tito. You see? You see? You see?
Grabe, ang galing.
If you keep on looking at your dog, then your dog will keep on doing that.
Wow.
Right? So, it only means your dog needs to pay attention to you and you not just pay attention to your dog. Okay. So, what you did there was good, but you watch Tito, ha? You watch Tito, ha? How Tito would do it. Okay? Look at how Tito would do it. Good experience. Someone's parking. I would ask the dog not to pay attention.
Okay.
All the experiences na ganun, you don't move away. Kapag nagtigil yung tahulan, that's the time you move away from each other. Not during. Because if you do that during, what happens is, yung last na memory is nagtahulan tayo. Rather than we shut up and then we move away. Tapos after nun, oo. Ang pinakamaganda dito, eventually you'll have dog people na friends here, pack walk. You always gather na sama-sama kayo maglahat. These are gonna be your dog friends here. But to start with, gusto ko before you allow your dogs to meet other dogs, you need to walk and run. Very good. Okay, walk.
There you go, left.
Nice. Nice. We're walking here right now kasi madami siya. Eventually, we're walking around outside. Open the window. Stop the door. Walk here. Walk here with the door. Just run with Tito. Don't get tired. Are you tired? Tito's old, but Tito's not that tired. There's a Samoyed there. So dapat the reaction na muna is sit and then wait. There you go. There you go. Nice. Don't stop you. Come here, Tito. Don't stop you. Yeah. Very good exercise. Okay? Always remember, ha? Do not just allow your dogs to go near other dogs. They are nice, but it is not proper. Do you want other kids to just go to you and they play, even if you don't know them? No, right? So, ganun din sa dogs, hindi pwedeng play agad. They need to know each other first just by allowing them to give space. Smell. Then come here, cute. Lower down your head. Make your dog sit. Make your dog sit. Nice. And then relax your hand. Very good. Okay, one more cue. Make your dog. There you go. Relax your hand. Wait. Okay, now pat. 3 seconds. Okay. One more. One more. Make your dog sit. Your goal is for your dog to sit in front of other dogs. Just like that. Nice. Huwag kang masyadong maging mahinghing dun sa ears.
Yeah.
Sama mo yung ears. Ha?
Yeah.
Okay, look at dito ha. Let's go. Ilang taon na yung dapat? Puputi mo ha. Let's go. Then, the dog is already like that. Para eventually maging friends sila. Yung neighbors kayo eh.
Dito lang sa mga aso nila.
Okay.
Lumuluhod na yung mga aso. Daming aso ni sir. Palagi kami nag-aaral sa vlog niya. Yes sir, thank you.
Ano nga ba ang gabay?
Gabay ay isang uri ng sleep leash na aking ginagamit sa pag-train ng aso. Ginagamit ko ito para turuan ang mga aso natin na maglakad ng maayos at ginagamit ko rin itong training tool para mabawasan ang behavior issues nila. Ang gabay ay may tatak LZ. Pwede kayong umorder ng gabay sa aking Shopee at resellers. Available din ang t-shirt ni Tatang, Inka, Ponpon, and Pasing.
Make your dog sit. Relax your hand.
Like kayo and follow sa Facebook and Instagram, The Pinoy Dog Whisperer, and subscribe sa YouTube channel Les Tres Zapanta.